So I just wanted to share some stuff with you. I'm going through the audio from this is back at the pond. So let me do this on the other screen. So I'll actually show you where it's at in case you didn't watch the other video. So basically, this is from 5/24/2025. This was just not even a month ago, and there's some weird crap on this. Okay, so the study sites. This is location 4. So that like main overview video I did though, you know, the pond I walked back to. As soon as we enter the woods, there's those 2 fence posts, one on each side of you. The one on the right, there's a tree right by that I put the audio recorder on. And I'm gonna shut up, but you're gonna hear some really weird things. So you'll hear some common stuff. I'm pretty sure it's either a fox or a coyote because it's not close enough for me to be able to tell. You'll hear the vocalization though. There's a American bullfrog, but you're gonna hear like a, and then you'll hear like a, you'll hear that like twice. You're gonna hear like a, it sounds, well, to me it sounds like a barrel, but you can clearly see there's nothing up there. It's just woods and a pond. I don't know. There's some weird stuff. I'm gonna just shut up, mute my mic. I'm gonna let it play, and you guys can hear it for yourselves. You can see the file name. I'm just gonna have this loop. So here we go. So did you hear it? so right here, smack. Right in here. Do you hear that? You hear a smack, but then it's like a whoo-hoo. Right in here. Back What is this? Doesn't that sound... Doesn't that almost sound like a barrel being thrown or like shoved or something? Like, what in the hell is that? I mean, you guys all saw multiple videos now up there. There is nothing there. That's not even our property, so we can't even put anything up there. Like, we're allowed to, like, walk around and hunt and stuff up there, but that's it. Like, they won't even sell because they don't want anyone, like, messing with the property itself. Like, I can't explain. This is the only recording out of, so far that I know of anyhow, out of, like, these 300 gigs of raw audio that I've ever caught anything like this. And I do not know what this is. Later.